Hey guys, I'm Dylan, and if you're new here, this channel is dedicated to you becoming a better videographer, both behind the camera and in the editing room. So make sure to take a look at my other videos after this and subscribe if you feel like this is a channel you'd like to be a part of. Recently, I had a subscriber who uses the vlog profile for the GH5 ask me how to properly color grade vlog footage. And it's actually easier than you might think. And you can apply it to whatever log footage you're using, whether that be with Canon, with Sony, with Nikon, and with whatever editing program you're using. You just have to tweak it to fit your needs. So without further ado, let's jump into it. Log footage retains the most dynamic range from the camera as possible. It may not look it that way when you play back your clip, but if you grade the footage right, you'll be left with some cinematic looking stuff. Well, you don't always need LUTs to color grade log footage. I use them because it saves me a ton of time and I can get just as good results. I've posted some free LUTs you can use to practice with in the description below. First things first, import your LUT. Next, bring up your vector scope and your Luma waveform. These will help you adjust your shot for accurate exposure and accurate color. Next, go into your color board or color wheels on whatever editing program you're using. And your goal here is going to be to expand your exposure range so your blacks are more towards their natural exposure, which is around 0 IRE, and your whites are more towards theirs, which is around 100 IRE. Don't push your shadows under IRE or you'll crush the blacks and lose detail. And don't go over 100 IRE or you'll blow out your highlights. After this, adjust your midtones to your liking, but make sure your skin tones are accurately exposed. We look at skin tones all day, so we know what it should look like and what it shouldn't look like. Lastly, make sure your subject's skin color is right by looking at the vector scope and seeing if your skin tone line matches up. If it doesn't, then adjust it. I'm not going to go into detail here about fixing skin tones, but I'll put a link to another video I did in regard to that. And there you have it. You just quickly and easily color graded your log footage. If this video helped you out, it would mean a lot if you guys would show support and click the thumbs up button. Feel free to shoot me a message below and let me know what you'd like to learn next. Enjoy your day.